Good morning, everyone. I'm getting ready for work. Today is Saturday. I wake up early because my work is early, 7 o'clock in the morning. So, sige, vlog pa more. I don't have much time. It's 5:58 in the morning. I'm just gonna drink my coffee real quick. And I'm thinking I'm gonna eat a leftover rice with dried fish, tuyo. We call it tuyo in the Philippines because yesterday I cooked dried fish yesterday. So maybe I'm gonna eat a little bit. Just a small breakfast today, and yeah. Getting my favorite cup, Princess Leia from Star Wars. Instead of sugar, I use honey for my coffee. It tastes really good, the coffee. If you wanna try, guys, try honey to put just a little bit on your coffee, and it tastes really good. Ooh, sticky. I'm just gonna put like that a little bit. There, that's good enough. And coffee. And cream. I'm gonna go wash my hands. The honey is sticky. Alright, done with our coffee. And I like putting ice cube on my coffee because I don't wanna drink it right away. It's really hot, so I prepare not super hot. So what I do is I put ice cube on my coffee. Maybe just one. Normally I put just one ice cube. Put it in there on my favorite cups like that, just to like cool down a little bit my coffee. So I'm gonna eat a little bit breakfast today. Just gonna microwave this leftover from yesterday. I don't have much time. Ta-da! Guys, tuyo. I cooked it yesterday, so I have leftover. How many pieces is 2, 4, 6, 7 pieces leftover from yesterday. I'm gonna microwave it, and I'm gonna eat rice. I'm so happy. My face is so much better now. It's getting better now since I start using those products that I think I've been using those products 2 months already. So my face is so better. Like, I'm so happy. You can see, guys, my face is like still a little bit, like, you can see the pimples, the old pimples, but they're going away. In the other side though is so much better now. So I'm just gonna continue using those products that I'm using right now to like clear my skin. Okay, everyone, I'm heading to work. It is 6:45 in the morning, and I didn't do nothing, just moisturizer and eyebrows, and that's it. So I guess I'll see you later. Hi everyone, I'm back. I just got home. It's it's dark already, kind of like gloomy because of the storm. We got hit of the storm like maybe 15 minutes ago. So when I work, I'm worried about my plants gonna hit with the storm, but my plants look fine. my plants is all growing. I'm so excited, especially the what do you call it? Malunggay, or we call it here moringa. It's growing already. It's like that big. My plants. So, I'm gonna show you later, guys. But anyways, I'm getting hungry. I'm thinking I wanna make 1 cup of coffee, and while drinking coffee, I don't know, maybe I'm scared drinking coffee late already, like afternoon or evening, because probably I'm gonna have trouble sleeping tonight. We'll see, but I want coffee to drink. I want something to drink, not like anything else, but I want coffee right now to make me like a little bit awake. But anyways, we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you my plants outside, but right now I'm just looking for something to watch on Netflix while like having a snacks right now. I'm worried if I drink coffee I cannot sleep tonight. My problem is I have to work early tomorrow at 4 o'clock in the morning, but I want coffee. I'm gonna make coffee. Work today is not too bad. It's not like a lot to do today, so I'm not really tired. Like I'm tired a little bit, but not like tired, like super tired. Sometimes if we do have a lot to do to work, I'm super tired. When I got home, I take a nap right away, but not really tired yet. So I'm gonna make a cup of coffee because I want coffee. So I'm gonna make a cup of coffee. Some coffee while watching on Netflix probably, or watching videos on YouTube while drinking coffee. Maybe that much, like a half cup maybe. That's fine. And take these bottles. 6. Yay! Just waiting for my coffee, and I still have leftover, what do you call that, dried fish to eat with rice. So probably while I'm watching, what do you call that, probably while I'm watching Netflix, I'm going to drink coffee and eat rice and what do you call that, dried fish. I'll show you guys the malunggay or moringa. Labas tayo. That is moringa. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 moringa. And the rest, it's jalapeno, red pepper, and this, that is Japanese okra. This is more jalapeno. Ooh, look at these are the okras. Okra. And Dan bought me another extra pot. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra pot he bought me today, so that I can transfer some of my plants on the bigger pot, because those are smaller. They need to transfer to the bigger pot, especially my flowers over there, and maybe some of my malunggay. I'm gonna transfer it here to the bigger pot because they're getting bigger already, so I need to transfer it to the bigger pot. Ooh, the coffee is almost done. I'm excited. I really want coffee. And maybe I still have leftover rice. I don't know. A little bit. Is it done? Eat. Yeah, I still have a little bit leftover rice, but I'm gonna make new one. That's my rice cooker, by the way, guys. Okay, I'm gonna make rice. My container of rice this one. I need to transfer some rice on the container, but I wanna finish it first because I have a bag, but those are different. Yeah, I need to transfer it. So my container is empty. I'm gonna transfer it later, guys. Now, let's cook rice. We're gonna eat rice and dried fish today. And some coffee. And let's put it on the rice cooker, guys. There you go. And let's turn it on. There you go. I'm just gonna wait that to cook, and I'm having a dinner. Ooh, my coffee's done. Ooh, it's done. So I got what? Maybe here. No, I don't have cups at all. Oh well, I'm gonna use this one. First, I love using honey to my coffee from here, from Colorado. Good luck. I don't know if I can sleep tonight, but I want coffee. Okay, that's good enough. Ooh, it's sticky. And next, we're gonna pour our coffee. I'm gonna edit this video tonight. Not just like while I'm resting. So I'm just gonna edit this video tonight while I'm resting. Something to do before I go to bed. And yay! So it tastes good. And this is my leftover rice from yesterday. So I don't want to throw it away because it's still fine. So I'm gonna eat that later with my dried fish. And there's our coffee, guys. Yeah, my coffee is done right there. I'm just gonna wait for my rice to cook so that I can eat my dinner. And I can see my face is getting better. I don't have foundation today. I just did my eyebrows and that's it because I'm lazy. Take forever to do makeup and I'm running out of time this morning. And yeah, no foundation, just eyebrows, and my face is getting better. You guys, it's getting better. It still have a little bit like scars, but I'm so excited. My face is getting better. Really excited to see the result of my face while I'm using those products that I've been using for 2 months already. So my face is so much better now. I'm so happy. I'm excited to see the result, like my face is like no more no more acne, no more scars, or no more blemishes or whatever. So I can tell that it's getting better now. I'm so happy. Like I can't wait till like my face is literally like nice and clear. So yeah, let's go upstairs, guys. It's a little bit dark upstairs, going upstairs, and I want to show you something. See, it's nice if your schedule is early, you still have time to do whatever you want. Like yesterday, I did a lot of things yesterday. I did dishes, I cook, I do laundry because I still have time because I get off from work at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so still have time. Whew. Get tired going upstairs, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, that's the, what do you call that? I forgot to call this letter board, whatever you call that. And when you turn it on, I forgot to tell you, when you turn it on, it's like that. It's blinking, guys. And then they have the remote, and you can change the color, whatever color you want, because like that, I don't like that blinking. If you wanna like red or green, blue, white. Oh, I like the white one. Orange maybe, green, yellow green, light blue, gray. Oh, that's when the blinking. Orange, green. So many options of color, whatever color you want, like that. Yellow, green, pink, or white. That's white. And then you just use this remote to change the color. It's beautiful. Decorative, whatever. If you want to decorate something like that, it's cute. So yeah, that's the thing that I bought the other day that I did haul one of my video. That's what it's look like now when it's on. Okay, let's go back again to the stairs because I want, oh, my stairs need to clean or change the carpets. Looks dirty already. I'm gonna get the coffee, and I'm still waiting for my rice, so I'm just gonna drink my coffee for a little bit while watching videos. And yeah. Okay, I think that's it for today's vlog. I'm getting tired already. And yeah, I'm gonna drink my coffee while I'm gonna edit this video and watching your videos, everyone. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everyone.